Hello everyone, good morning. How are you all? Fine? Great. So you all are eagerly waiting to start our today's classes? Let's begin. So today is 14th July 2020. So which day is today? Tuesday. Which day is today? Tuesday. And the date is 14th July 2020. Yes. So which period is this? This is our maths period. Yes. And in our maths classes, in our maths subject, we have learnt about different pre-numbers, then what comes after, before, between. Then we have also done counting till 100, backward counting. So a lot of things we have completed till now. Tell me one thing. Are you understanding everything which I am teaching to you with the help of these videos? Good. So in case there is any doubt, any concept is not clear to you, please do let me know. You all can call me and tell me कि ma'am this particular concept is not clear. So what I will do, I'll try to clear those concepts with the help of one more video. Okay. So you can just put up your queries to me and let me know which concept you want me to take again. So today what I am doing, I am going to take one topic which we have already completed, and that is in between. आपको याद है मैम ने जब आपको कराया था what comes after. So after में हमने क्या किया था? We were writing the number that comes after the given number, जो हमारे नंबर के नेक्स्ट नंबर होता था. If for example I have given you 20, so what comes after 20? 21, right? Then another concept which we did, what comes before, and in that what we have learned? We have learned that if we are given number 20, which is the previous number, that is 19. So we have done what comes after, we have done what comes before. One more concept which I taught you is what comes in between. You remember that? मैम ने आपको दिया 19 dash 20. So dash 19 dash 21. तो dash में कौन सा नंबर आएगा? 19 है आपके पास, फिर आपके पास एक dash है, फिर next number 21 है. तो which is the number that is coming in between 19 and 21? 20. Yes, we did that. So I am just taking a revision of the very same concept. What comes in between? So this is in between, and today we are going to do this topic with the help of some pictures. Okay, numbers we have done. Today I am going to teach you how to do or how to solve these things with the help of picture. So the very first thing which you have to see on the board is this box. What is this box? This box. This is the key. Key box है ये हमारा. Key box क्या है? We have given cup. So can you identify these pictures? Cup, mango, then we have butterfly, then we have a flower, then a triangle, then a kite, and lastly we have a smiley. So again I am going to tell you about these pictures. Cup. You have to see them carefully, because after watching this particular box, after observing it carefully, only you will be able to do this. So, which is the first picture? A cup. Then comes mango. Then what is this? Butterfly. What is this? Flower. Triangle. Kite. And what is this? A smile. Now what you have to do? After reading this box, we have to see these boxes. I have 4 boxes here, in which now how we are going to do this. See, I have a butterfly here. I have one box and I have divided into 3 parts. 1, 2 and 3. Can you see these 3 parts? So first I have drawn one butterfly. Then there is a space left blank and I have a triangle here. Clear? अब आपको यहाँ पे ढूंढना है where is the butterfly. यहाँ पे है, देन वी हैव नेक्स्ट स्पेस ब्लैंक और उसके बाद हमें क्या दिया हुआ है ट्रायंगल। दैट मीन्स वी हैव, अब ये जो ब्लैंक स्पेस है, which picture we are going to draw? The picture which is between butterfly and triangle, क्योंकि butterfly और triangle हमें दिया हुआ है, we are having those two pictures. Then which is the which picture we are going to draw here? We are going to draw the picture of flower. Yes, so I am going to draw a flower here like this. Is that clear to all of you? How we have to solve this? आपको जो दो pictures दिए हैं, you have to search for those pictures and you will find that one picture which is missing here is the picture between the two given pictures. देखिए, अब next moving to this one. What I have here is a triangle. There is a triangle here and there is a smiley here. Now we are going to search for triangle. Now we have cup, mango, butterfly, flower, triangle. So we got this triangle and then we have smile also because smiley is there, smiley is here. So which is the picture in between triangle and smiley? Yes, which picture is there between triangle and smiley? Kite. So what we have to do? We are going to draw this picture in between, right? So how we are going to do that? Like this. Like this we have drawn the picture of kite. Now moving to the next. Cup. Then I have a space blank and I have a butterfly given. So I am going to search for cup. Then there is a blank space and I have butterfly. So this blank space is for mango. Yes. So which picture I am going to draw here? I will draw the picture of a mango like this. Is that clear to all of you? Now we have a flower. Then there is a blank space and we have a kite. So now you have to look for the flower. Where is the flower? Here is the flower. Then the blank space and kite. So which picture we are going to draw here in this blank space? Triangle shape. So I am going to draw a triangle shape like this. Understood? In between, we have done this work with this concept with numbers, but today I have taken this concept with the help of pictures. So basically what you have to do first thing is, सबसे numbers का आता है तो we all know counting. जब भी हमें numbers में दिया जाता है what comes in between, we all know the counting. हमें counting आती है, so it is easy for us to write. But if it is given for pictures like this, तो आपको सबसे पहले what you have to do, आपको जो ये की बॉक्स दिया गया है, you have to carefully, बहुत ध्यान से उसको ऑब्जर्व करना है. So just observe it and read this picture box carefully. आपको ध्यान देना है कि कौन सा पिक्चर दिया हुआ है आपको. After the first you have to see the first picture. सबसे पहले आपको ये देखना है कि first picture कौन सी दी हुई है, ठीक है. After looking to the first picture, आप यहाँ पे उस पिक्चर को सर्च करेंगे. As I told you, butterfly दिया है हमें. So we are going to search for butterfly. हमें butterfly मिल गया उस बॉक्स में. Then which is the next picture given? Triangle. Butterfly दिया है और ये triangle है. So इन दोनों के बीच में कौन सा पिक्चर है हमारे पास? We have flower. So we are going to draw the flower. तो जब भी आपको in between pictures वाला करना है, for every time refer the box, the picture box or the key box given to you. It can be shapes. जैसे यहाँ पे हमने अलग अलग चीजें ली हैं. कप है, मैंगो है, बटरफ्लाई है. It can be on shapes also, circle, square, triangle, जो भी different shapes होती हैं. Or it can be only with fruits. तो ये किसी से भी दिया जा सकता है. So you don't have to memorize it. आपको क्या करना है? You just have to understand it कि सबसे main चीज होती है ये box. First and the foremost thing बॉक्स को केयरफुली देखना है कि किस पैटर्न में हमें ऑब्जेक्ट्स दिए गए हैं, एंड आफ्टर लुकिंग टू दोज थिंग्स ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व दिस करेक्टली. नाउ something I have similar in your book also, so just open your numbers book too, all of you, on page number 76. So I am writing it here, book page number 76 and one more page number is 77. तो अब when you will open this book on page number 76 आपको मिलेगा same pictures वाला book. Just as we have done here on board, आपको इसी तरह से pictures का work मिलेगा, and on 77 you will find what comes between with numbers. तो ये numbers वाला तो we have already done, isn't it? हम ये कर चुके हैं. So you have to complete both these pages, page number 76 and 77. Again I am going to tell you, today we have done the concept in between. We have recapitulated, we have revised this concept, but not with numbers, with pictures. Clear to all of you? तो ये concept आपको numbers में भी दिया जा सकता है. We can ask you in the form of pictures also. So what you have to do? Now for example, if I show you, I have a pen here, I have a pencil here, and in between if I hold a chalk piece, see, so what is in between? Tell me, what is in between? I have one pencil, one chalk piece and one pen. So now can you tell me what is in between? Chalk piece is in between, isn't it? Now if I change the position, can you tell me what is in between now? Yes, what is in between? Now we have pencil in between. So in between means किसी भी दो ऑब्जेक्ट, दो नंबर्स या दो पिक्चर्स के बीच में जो आता है, that is in between. दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स भी हो सकते हैं, as I have shown you, pencil, pen and chalk. Then pictures also, दो पिक्चर्स के बीच में, like cup and butterfly के बीच में, as I told you here. Then we have done the same concept with numbers also. So in between means बीच वाला. Clear? जिसके right hand side पे भी कुछ है, left hand side पे भी कुछ है, and we have to put something in between. अब आप इसी बॉक्स को देखिए, if we look carefully, left hand side पे भी कुछ बना हुआ है, right hand side पे भी कुछ बना हुआ है. हमने क्या किया? इन दोनों के बीच वाला बनाया. So this is called in between. बीच वाला जो होता है उसको हम कहते हैं in between. Understood everyone? What is in between? In between is something that is in the middle, something between two given objects. Now I have one hand here, one hand here. So my face is in between my hands. एक हाथ इधर है, एक हाथ इधर है, और बीच में face है ना मैम का. So just remember it like this. Now one thing more I tell you. One eye is this side, one eye on this. तो हमारी nose क्या है? बीच में है ना? Isn't it? In between. So this is how we have to learn things. Clear all? I hope you have understood this concept. In case any doubt, I am telling you again. Please let me know so that I can take the topic again. So today's work is, in your book you are going to do page number 76 and 77. And which is the book you are going to do? Take your maths book, numbers book 2. And page number is 76 and 77. When you are going to open these two pages, you will find the topic in between. So these both the topics you have to complete. Share your work with me and let me know how much you have understood. Bye everyone. Take care. Enjoy your learning.